Hi guys, we are now here in the field of strawberry. Strawberries here, the farm of strawberry farm. As you can see it here, it's a spacious farm here. Love, what can you see about this farm? What have you seen here? Did you pick something?
Yeah.
Oh, so
I got this is the only big one that I got, you know. Sobra ramo.
So this is a spacious farm, strawberry farm. In fact, because of a lot of people who came here for many weeks ago, only few are left here. But we try to pick some of the remaining strawberries here, strawberry fruit, just to fill up our receptacle. This one. This is what we got here from the owner of this farm. So if you can see here, right now, I have this fruit here, strawberry fruit here, with three strawberry fruits right on the trunk of this strawberry plants. So to find this strawberry fruits, you need to search or look for or move the strawberry leaves, so that once you can see this, okay, these are the fruits. The fruits actually are hiding. They're hiding here somewhere beneath the leaves of this strawberry fruits, which is nice. So it's cool to be here, guys. This is my first experience in life or with my family where we are picking strawberry fruits. Unlike before that, we only pick up apples.